Welcome to uGenesys. Take a look at the profits that we've generated on our client accounts. And we have several clients with different sized accounts. Here on this small account, we have a total of $4.21. On this larger account, we have a total of $160.26. And on this larger account, we have $224.07. Are you in Jamaica and looking for a way to break free from the cycle of poverty? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Today we're diving into the world of Forex trading and how it can transform your financial future. Forex trading is a global market where you buy and sell currencies. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere with an internet connection, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. By trading currency pairs like USD GMD, you can seize opportunities in the volatile Forex market. But remember, risk management is crucial. Educate yourself through online resources before diving in. Let's talk about passive income, the key to financial freedom. Passive income flows in with minimal effort, freeing you from the 9 to 5 grind. It provides security and more time for what matters. But here's the exciting part. uGenesys offers a unique opportunity. Copy trading. Imagine replicating trades of experienced traders automatically. And here's the deal. It's free to sign up with no monthly fees. We charge a modest 20% fee from your earnings when you're profitable. So for example, if you make $100, you give us $20 and keep the remaining $80. No upfront payments required, and it's incredibly convenient. Your profits can grow while you sleep. With just a 2% monthly growth, you can achieve a remarkable 24% annual growth, outperforming most banks and investment firms. It's a long-term investment you won't want to miss. And guess what? It's not just for seasoned traders. You can start as little as $10 or 1,000 US cents, but for the best results, we recommend starting with at least $100 or 10,000 US cents. Your money grows and you have full control. You can withdraw your profits whenever you want. We've partnered with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the famous PSG football club. So you're in safe hands. Don't miss out on the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for detailed instructions on how to get started. Happy trading!